This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Craig. Freshly painted and ready for new tenant. Renovated 2-bedroom home with impact windows and newer roof, tile floors, laundry and storage. Covered carport and plenty of parking. Huge brick patio, fenced yard. Double gate access and paved parking for RV or boat. Good location on Residential Street north of Copan and number 8217 S Road and south of Sample with easy access to shopping, restaurants and the beach. Tenant should have a minimum credit score of 670 or be willing to pay considerable advance rent. Pet friendly under £40. For more information, review the details below or contact Elizabeth Craig at 954-294-5629.